Guys, this really brings back memories from childhood here. Really brings back memories from childhood. Okay. Just have to be mindful of bears. It's the only thing I'm worried about on this trail. I doubt I'm going to see any people here, but yeah, bears. I did see a vulture earlier, and found a carcass of a I don't know what it was, kind of bigger animal, not a coyote, kind of looked like a badger, could have been a badger. Anyways, this is one of the trails out here in Bayfield. And like I said, it really brings back a lot of good memories. One of the parts I miss about living in the US is just all the different nature walks you can take. And yeah, I'm a little bit out of breath, given that I don't get a chance to walk this often. It's a great trail here though. Kind of hard to see maybe in the video, but definitely a good one. Hold on, passing through some trees. Okay. So that is the story. And I'll record some more in a little bit here. I think this is my first time on this trail since I was younger. Well, when I was younger, most of these trails weren't so well labeled. At least I don't remember that. So I'm assuming in the years that I've been away, the National Park Service has taken it upon themselves to invest in some signage. And it really genuinely helps here. Okay. Anyways, y'all, it's been good. I'm heading to another destination here, so I will check in a little bit. Now, this is something else. I had no idea that this trail would lead me all the way up to, what do we have here? The soccer field. Look at that. Right out here into the soccer field. Damn, interesting. Okay. Well, that's an unexpected destination here. Pretty cool. All right. I'm still on my way. I'm going to check out this, what do you call? Set of directions out here at the kiosk. Let's see if you can see. There's the kiosk there in the background. Okay. Take care, y'all. Assalamu alaikum. God bless. I'll be back online a little bit here to continue. Alright guys, not to sound grim, but this is the end of the line. Actually, I came out to the cemetery to visit my grandmother and grandfather here. It's been years since I've been up here, so time to pay my respects anyways. Thanks for coming along the journey. Assalamu alaikum. Take care and see you next time.